Scruffy!
What?
Here's your coffee.
Oh, fantastic. Happy days, happy days.
There you go.
Because I need me coffee, because big change is coming. Wait.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. And if this is your first time here, I am the big fella. That is the Scruffy Trader. And standing next to me is the supplier of coffee, Wonderwink.
Wonderwink.
And what we're trying to do is put trading in the real world. And our world, funny enough, has changed somewhat because of trading. And that's what today is about. It's a little announcement for what I'm going to be doing going forward and how I'm going to be helping the Scruffy Squad in the future. So let me get my coffee, let me go up into the study, and before I do that, take a little look at Wonderwink's assets.
You dirty old man.
My shirt.
Her shirt and the mug, because this is going to play a part of it as well.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, so I've come up into the study to have a little chat with you. So it's a bit of a different coffee with Scruff, because believe it or not, the channel has grown quite a lot recently, and this marks the 3rd anniversary of the channel.
Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo.
So we're quite excited. It's been a strange couple of years because we sold our other business last year and trading is our sole income. And for those of you who haven't followed me and you sort of think, what do I have an authority to speak on trading? Well, I am a qualified trader. I have been in the markets over 15 years. And when you watch the channel, what you see me do is in the moment. But what I've also done over the last couple of years is kind of gone down the prop funding route with the 5%ers. And that now pays me quite well for very little work because it's all kind of end of day trading. And if you want to see the stats that I do, here they are. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. So that kind of gives me the gravitas to be able to speak about trading, which is what led me to run the Discord group for the Scruffy Squad, because I built a little community up, like-minded people, and I helped day by day. But I still had to do my day job. So sometimes it's very hard with time management. So what we've done is I've got a sponsor for the channel, and the sponsor is Winky, because she's launched her own range of merchandise for traders. She's got her own little shop up and running, which I'll show you. There we go, the Scruffy Trader. And you can get your mugs, you can get your sweatshirts, whatever it is, it's ongoing. You will find it in here. So she's sponsoring me to talk to you. How good is that?
You serious?
Well, she's not really. She just wanted to continue with her business and she wants to align it with us. So the Scruffy Trader has become a bit of a brand, and it has become a bit of a brand in the marketplace. So you can support the channel with merchandise, but I want to support you. There's no point being a trader unless you know how to do it. Now, for those of you who follow the channel, you'll see the Discord group where I speak to them on a daily basis, and we're in and out all the time. Now, time is the factor because it's something I have very little of. But because I trade prop, it's allowing me to reduce a day from my week. So I don't trade Monday and Friday anyway. I do a lot of homework then. But it's allowing me to drop another day where I can spend time in the group and talk the charts that the group wants. I will trade in the moment, as I've always done, because I feel I should. But it'll be done in such a way that it's for the group. You know, it's not a signal service. It's a hand-holding service for the Rogue and Rogue Plus. And what I'm going to do with that is every morning, Monday through Friday, at 8 o'clock, we'll go into the Scruffy bar.
No way.
Bar? Bar? 8 o'clock in the morning, bar? What is this madman talking about? Well, let me show you. Let me show you, because we're not going into the bar you think you are. What we have is this. But up at the top is this section, which is the Scruffy Trader. The camera won't come on because I'm obviously using it for this video. But it's a face-to-face conferencing. And what we're going to be doing here is you'll be able to speak to me every morning at 8 o'clock. We can have an open Q&A, all that sort of thing, for half an hour before we start trading at 9. So it's a little bit like, well, it's hand-holding for you to look forward. So you can be looking at something and say, oh, well, I like this chart. Will you check it? And we'll have a little chat about it. But what it means is it gets everybody interactive in such a way you will learn. And that's what this is all about. So we're going to be kind of relaunching the Scruffy Trader on Monday, because this starts on Monday. There is a number of Rogue and Rogue Plus that I help all the way through. And there is loads of perks for the membership. And if you want to see them, there's a quick shot of what they are. And if you look to the bottom, there is going to be some added bonuses to this, in the sense I'm going to give a step-by-step course of how I trade. Now, the initial one is going to be for day trading, which is predominantly GoldenEye. There will be a secondary course coming on, which will be for swing trading, which is the river. And then as time goes forward, I'll show you how to scalp. I'll show you different methods, but it'll be done step by step, and they'll find it in the Rogue Plus section. And then that way, you've really got spoon-fed way to trade, but you've also got a professional trader on your back that will help you. So that's the idea, that's the announcement, and really what trading's done for us over the last 3 years. It has broken our shackles, because let's be honest, you see me here every day, and you see Joanne sitting next to me every day. So this is our income. This is where it comes from. And we're trying to give something back now that we've got our bank balance at a level that can sustain us. I'm going to drop a day from trading personally, because when I trade personally, I kind of go into my own little world, shall we say. And I'm going to give that back to you guys to help you move forward. So you want to see any of it, go down in the description. All the links are there. You'll find all of my contact details if you've got any questions, and come along and see us. So as always, guys, trade well, keep the risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.